Emakhosini vogogo. So there's a video I wanted to stitch yomunye umkhulu, but unfortunately uvale ama-stitch wakhe. So I'm like, you know what, let me pass this video, because obviously lo mkhulu uza ngokuthi ulungisa i-country. Ulungisa i-country. And there's a video I've just listened lasho khona ukuthi abantu angaze banesithunywa angeke azakhulume nabo, and they should not follow him because isithunywa, it's something that does not exist, that is not there, that is okay. And I'm like, okay, now you are showing yourself ukuthi nah. Ukhuluma ngokuthi people who are saying that bathwasa ngamaphupho, ayikho leyo nto, amanga leyo nto. And mind you, during the day I came upon a video of his. I don't follow him, but my TikTok keeps recommending this crazy videos. But anyway, whereby kunomuntu who commented on his post and was like, umuntu lempande that you say you belong to, ubani wayicala leyo mpande ene yena uyithathaphi mangabe impande fanele uyithathe kaGobela, lo muntu owaqala lempande yena wayithathaphi? And that was a good question, but he did not want to answer it. He was like, ezinye izinto ziyimfihlo. And I'm looking at myself, I'm like, that's true. You know, something that when you don't believe in something, and when something it's not for you, or you're not meant to learn something, vele you will not know it, because now it is shared amongst people who's supposed to know. So even self-initiation, if you don't know it, it's not for you. And what happens and how it happens, it's not for you. And people think ukuthi self-initiation, it's only you pupamapai. No, it's you clearly being told by your own ancestors, not uyo consulta, that awuyi ukuyotwasa, and these are the reasons, and this is why. And everything that you need to do, you will be told where to go and who to go, and you will have a mentor, right? And somebody who's your mentor, they will know exactly what is happening to you. Of which somebody who doesn't understand it, they won't, because they're not part of it. And he went on to talk about abantu abacabanga ukuthi baphupha imithi, then sebacabanga ukuthi bayinyanga. And I'm like, do you even know ukuthi ugedla aluyi ukuyothwasa? But ngoba nina senajwayela ukuthi yonke into iyathwasela, you even forcing ogedla ukuthi bahambe bayothwasa. Yebo uzoboniswa imithi akhonjwe, makufanele ahambe ayohlambulula isikhwama noma aphakamisa isikhwama noma yenzeni, uzokhethelwa ugedla ozoye ayomgayisa sona leso sikhwama. You understand? Kodwa akahlali ngaloyo gedla, akathwasi. We understand? So I'm like, this guy, are you even hearing yourself? So now we're finding people who think ukuthi they are custodians of spirituality. Now we have people who think ukuthi is spirituality ubungoma. Now we have people who think ukuthi everything it's umungoma. So kunabantu abaneyithunywa kuphela, it has nothing to do no bungoma. Kunabantu who like, not everything is ubungoma. It's like ikufana nokuthi these days wonke umuntu usekayenza ngathi usiko isiZulu. No, ngesintu kuyenzwa kanjena, but lo muntu ukhota isiZulu, yes, kwaZulu kuyenzwa njalo, kodwa kaMtawunga kuyenzwa kanjalo, kaMahomet akuyenzwa kanjalo. You understand? So it's very interesting, but it's very funny how people want to be gatekeepers of spirit, and you can't gatekeep spirit. You can't even tell spirit how it should work. You can't even, like, angazi, like I'm looking at this guy ukuthi, so wena uhleli kwakho rounding off all the gifts, it's ubungoma. It's ubungoma. So my ancestors, who I was born with this gift, are not able to come to me and speak to me. Fanele bayokhuluma nami ngilele kitchen kaGobele, ngilele phansi kwaGobele kitchen. Ngiwasha izitsha, ngiwasha ama-under. Then only when idlozi lami lizokhuluma nami. Masenze kanjena. Mangabe wena uthwasile, idlozi lakho angazi belikhalela lona leyo nkani. Wahamba waliphuza waliphalaza. Ucedile intwaso yakho, idlozi lijabulile. Two generations down the line, kunomuntu omunye usathwasa ledlozi, kanti ledlozi inkani yalo alipheli. Kanti wena awuzange uyenze right. Let's say wena uthwase umahlala entabeni, which is bekumkhulu. 5 years down the line, or khona omunye na maybe wena, let's say uyashona, khona ingane yakho noma ingane kangane yakho naye iyothwasa umahlala entabeni, kanti awuzange umlaphe wena the time uliphuza uliphalaza. Angithi bekakhalela inkani. How does it work? How does it work? Ngiyazibuza, and I'm thinking ukuthi it's so sad ukuthi a lot of people will get lost, a lot of people will be misled, because now there's people who are claiming that they are custodians of spirituality. Ukuthi idlozi lami lifuna ukusebenza kanjani, it has nothing to do nedlozi lakho. If idlozi lakho wena lalifisa uyenze ngendlela ethize, we are happy for you. However, ungangilimazi ngokuthi wena ufune ngenze into efunwa idlozi lakho, because at the end of the day, whoever who's gonna deal with the repercussions of whatever they're doing, him. Who has to deal with the wrath of their ancestors, him. Who have to deal with the anger of ancestors wabo, him. Kuthiwa kunomthetho weshoba, kuneimfihlo zobungoma ezingakhulunywa. And we are happy because we are not here asking questions. Hey, no. But now you want to be involved in wanting to know how does self-initiation work. Why ufuna ukwazi? It has nothing to do with you. Futhi something that you do not know, you will never understand. But the downfall of umuntu, yilo muntu oqabanga ukuthi wazi konke. Yabona la emhlabeni, if you think you know too much, you will never grow and you will never succeed, and you will never reach where you're supposed to reach, because of now already when are you thinking that you know it all. You don't know it all. You don't know it all. Awazi yonke into. Awazi yonke into. Wonke umuntu makalalele idlozi lakhe, wonke umuntu astike kuleni yakhe. Wonke umuntu makalalele idlozi lakhe, wonke umuntu makastike kuleni yakhe. If fanele uye phehlweni iye, if akufanelanga uye ungayi. That's it. Lalela idlozi lakho. Your dlozi know you better. You were born with that gift. And no matter what people can say on social media, they cannot take that gift. Unfortunately, ibhlungu ngoba manje eyabo shem bakorobhe itup bahamba bayothenga amagwinya abanye ukuthi bayithole leyo gift. Ukuthi babone ukuthi ya umuntu unamandla. Unfortunately, but azange thina sifise ukuthi kube njalo. Kodwa sicela singabangisani ngezipho zethu. Because of into yeqiniso futhi umoya awungeke ucontrol, uzosebenza ngale ndlela ofuna ukusebenza ngayo. And I'm here thinking ukuthi bapha abazali, Nkosi yami. Abazali sengisho bona amadlozi namathonga ambethe abanye abantu ukuthi baphi ingane zabo, Nkosi yami, zikhuluma kanjena. Surely ba ashamed ukuthi oh mntanami wasihlaza. You guys